Welcome back. In this video, we'll write a sketch that takes a number entered through the serial monitor and displays both its decimal and binary representations. You'll learn how to read user input using Serial.parseInt and how to use the bin format to show binary output. This is a great way to understand how numbers are represented in binary and how to process input in real time with Arduino. Start by creating a variable to store the value of the input number. We'll use an int data type and call it input number. Use Serial.begin 9600 to start serial communication between the Arduino microcontroller and your computer. Let's prompt the user by printing a message to the serial monitor using Serial.println. Enter a number. Use a while loop to pause the program until a number is entered in the serial monitor. The condition Serial.available equals 0 keeps the program waiting for input. Now assign a value to the variable we created earlier by using Serial.parseInt. This reads a number entered in the serial monitor and stores it in input number. Add a Serial.println to label the output. We'll print the word decimal or Arabic before showing the number, so it's clear which value is being displayed. Now, print the number entered in the serial monitor. Add Serial.print \t binary to label the binary output. The \t adds a tab space for better alignment in the serial monitor. Use Serial.println input number bin to display the binary representation of the number entered. Bin tells the Arduino to print the value in binary format. Use this while loop to clear any remaining characters in the serial input buffer. This ensures the next input is read cleanly. Verify and then upload the code. Enter a number into the serial monitor, and you'll see its binary equivalent displayed below. Great job! You've now created a sketch that takes user input and displays both the decimal and binary values in the serial monitor. If you have any questions, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.